I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to turn off Plex marketing emails so you stop receiving them. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to plex.tv, and then sign into your Plex account if you're not signed in already. Step 2. Click the settings icon at the top of your screen. The settings icon looks like a wrench. Step 3. Click Account in the menu on the left side of the screen. Associated options are shown on the right side of the screen. Step 4. Scroll down to the Preferences section. Find Email Subscription Settings and then click Manage Emails associated with this option. The Email Preferences section opens. Step 5. Navigate to the Marketing Emails section and then click to remove the check mark from next to any of these marketing email types you no longer wish to receive from Plex. If you want to turn off and stop receiving all emails from Plex, all you need to do is remove all of the check marks in this section. Click Update Preferences when you're done to save your changes, which will be effective immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.